Hello guys, this is Vysh. So today is June 4 and today is Sunday. So we'll discuss the current affair questions. Okay. So this again from the May month current affair I have taken all the questions. So it's all very important for the upcoming prelims. Okay, next prelims. And don't skip these videos which I have made for the 2023 analysis series. Many more will come. Okay, like this video will come soon. So like that, please watch every video. And the unfortunate incident of the train accident which happened in Odisha, that also yesterday I made a detailed video. Please watch this video. You will get all the information about all the past accidents, what is the Kavach system, how it happened, how it derailed, everything is explained there. Okay, and if you are new to this channel, please WhatsApp me and then I'll guide you how to begin from scratch. Even if you don't know anything about UPSC, still I'll guide you. Okay, and different textbooks, almost every textbook we'll be doing it for free. So that and all, after the foundation you will come to know. So first question, which of the following are true about child marriages? United Nations defines child marriage as a marriage under the age of 18 and considers it as a fundamental violation of human rights. Eastern and Southern Africa have the highest rate of child marriages. In South Asia, a child's likelihood of marrying in childhood nearly doubled in the last decade. So options are 1, 2, 3, 2 only, 1 only, none of these. Okay. So today I have put all the options in our old UPSC's old format, not the new format. Alternatively, we'll do like that. 1 day old and 1 day new, so that you get a practice of all the types of options. So here the answer is C, 1 only. Okay, because this is not the highest rate and it's not doubled, it's nearly halved. Okay, halved in our South Asian region. Improvement is there and it's halved. So UNICEF report was there. Is an end to child marriage within reach? This was the report, in case UPSC asks you. Okay, so there they told 18 years and they consider it as one fundamental violation of human rights. And West and Central Africa have the highest rates. In 2023 prelims, if you see, many questions came from West and Central Africa. Okay, Cameroon, Congo, and one was Eastern, one was Somalia was the answer, Democratic Republic of Congo. Then all the African countries, Africa, at least I think 3-4 questions came from African map alone. Okay, so you were supposed to know it. We had taught you in our test series in multiple places. We have taught you rivers of Africa, states of Africa. So hopefully next time you will prepare properly and go. And in South Asia, it has dropped by nearly half. Okay. Question number 2. Which of the following are true? Global Network Against Food Crisis, GNAFC, releases the Hunger Hotspot Report. Food Security Information Network, FSIN, is funded by European Union and USET. Options are 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 or 2. In this year's prelims also, around 7 questions were in this format, okay, where you had to know both the statements individually. 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 or 2. There was no 3 statement type questions where you had this option in this year's prelims. But next year it will come back, okay, it will come back. We don't think like all the 100 will be like this year. It will surely come back, and some new method of question asking also will be there. Okay, that I am telling now itself, 2024, some new format, at least 1 question, 2 question will come. It's a new format which you have never seen anywhere. Okay, so which of the following are true? Here, both the answers, both are true. And this year also, UPSC have asked very like weird bodies and networks on climate and this thing and all. Like UN Ops was asked this time, UN Ops. Okay, it was asked this time. So like that, people will find out something to disturb you. Okay, like Technical Council, something which USA and Trade and Technology Council, which USA and EU has signed. Then what Saudi Arabia and Israel has signed. What is Japan's navigation system? They are not asking more of India. At least I think 12 questions were there which is not at all related to India. India has no connection with it. Okay, so that will continue. So you have to study all the forms of bodies and organizations which comes in news. Okay, so they release these global report on food crisis, hunger hotspot reports and all these things. It's a coalition of organizations working in the field of this humanitarian aid and development. Okay, especially in food crisis. And then this FSIN is a technical platform for expertise and best practice again on food security, and it is funded by European Union and the USAID. So again, this is not like India's thing, but UPSC will ask you. Okay, so global report on food crisis 23 came in the month of May. That is why I have framed this question. Okay, then what happened, like what is the statistics and all, you can read this. Like because of Ukraine war and problems, there is economic shocks, there is malnutrition, many countries are affected. That is the gist of it. Okay, now next one. 2023 is the year for the global stocktake. So this is related to what? Okay, global stocktake. Animal poaching, banking crisis, climate action, rising population. Okay, so this again is UPSC's favorite. Okay, now year was outdated. Now they're asking even date, like they want you to know that August 7th is handloom day. You should know that April 21 or 22 something is that civil service day. Then November 26 I think it's constitution day. Like that you have to know each and everything. Last year they asked like language day, then they asked I think water day. Okay, like every day which is a pure GK. This is not even a UPSC standard questions, SSC GK type questions, banking, PSC exam GK. But UPSC is asking at least 2-3 questions based on this also. So either you have to by heart all the dates of every day, like I think June 1 now which got over is I think World Milk Day or something. Okay, so if UPSC want to trouble you, they'll ask it. Okay, we can't teach you, nobody can teach you. We can start making video series tomorrow, like okay, June 1, June 2, June 3, what is specialty of each day, I will make. But will you remember all the 365 days? It's up to you. Okay, because or up to you or up to UPSC's mental ability, that they should understand that nobody is going to by heart all these things. Okay, because there's no logic to ask August 7th as National Handloom Day. Out of 365 days, randomly if you pick up a day, there's no need for a UPSC aspirant to by heart it. Okay, there's no need, literally no need. If it's a big movement, like Quit India movement happened when, Swadeshi movement happened when, that because it's part of your history is 90% is timeline, you have to study that. But other than that, the GK, when is Women's Day, when is Mother's Day, when is Father's Day, you don't have to remember. Okay, so here, Global Stocktake, 2023 is the year of Global Stocktake, which is related to climate action. Okay, so periodic review of global climate action that aims to assess whether current efforts will enable us to reach the objectives set out in the Paris Agreement. Okay, Paris Agreement, you know, is the base now. Earlier it was Kyoto Protocol and all these things. Now it is Paris Agreement. Okay, so the report has been underway for the past 2 years and is set to be released in September 2023. That means what? Again, this thing will come in news, and again 2024 aspirants, it becomes important. Okay, I will tell you students, if you simply enroll to Vysh IAS test series and study only our test series and go, you will reach the cutoff. Because our test series definitely, guaranteedly will cover 40 to 50 questions. Okay, directly and indirectly. So cutoff is so low nowadays, like in the 80s it is going. That means 40 plus questions only you have to make it right. So if you have read the basic books, basic textbooks and Vysh IAS test series, you will clear. Okay, because I have been telling over the years, please stick to one book, one source and one test series. Students are not listening. They are tensed when they see different institutes coming with different plans and different programs, last minute revision, crash course. Don't do all these. Just study throughout the year the main standard 10-15 books and the one test series. Okay, don't do anything else. Defending Creative Voice is a report published by Reporters Without Borders, UNESCO, Asian Cultural Council, Indian Council for Cultural Tradition, who has come out with a report defending creative voice. Okay, creative voice means what? Someone who is doing creativity is kind of a artist kind of thing and all. So who published this report to support them? Answer is UNESCO. UNESCO recently published a report called Defending Creative Voices, which highlights the need for protection of artists who have been affected by armed conflicts, political instability and natural calamities. Okay, because their life is in danger in multiple countries. Such reports were coming out. So there is this convention on the diversity of cultural expression, which became effective in 2007, and 150 plus countries have ratified the treaty also, and UNESCO has allocated $1 million to fund projects that promote these people. Okay, so this kind of things, okay, everyone won't teach you, but UPSC is asking you, so you have to learn. South Asia Clean Energy Forum, SACEF, was organized by South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, that is SARC, or SASEC, or this International Energy Agency's Clean Energy Transition Program, or that USAID, okay, United States Agency for International Development. South Asia Clean Energy Forum was organized by. So your answer is D, that is USAID. So this again in May 2023 it was organized, and here every countries in the south came together. If you see Bangladesh, Bhutan, even India, and they discussed on the clean energy initiatives and all such things. Okay, so it provided an opportunity for the USA and South Asia to work together to have a better clean energy initiative, and all those country level Niti Aayog initiatives, everything will be combined together and they will work for clean energy for citizens around the world. Okay, so these were the 5 questions. Please don't skip all the videos which we are doing. Every day you have to watch Vysh IAS. It is all free. You will clear the prelims. Okay, if you start now in the proper way, you will clear prelims. So welcome with the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.